Hey, today I'm going to be opening up these last year's NightWatcher Leonardo and Donatello. They're dope. They're the first NECA figures ever at my Walmart, and the first time I saw them I didn't get them because I have Raph and Mikey in the colored version, but then the next time I went I got Donny because I thought maybe I'll just get the colored Leo and then I'll paint Donny to match, but then the next time I went and I got the Leo. So here they are.
The OnGreenShow.
They're so dope. After I opened them I had to reconsider if I even want to paint them at all, but then I came up with an idea. I'm gonna paint them a little bit. Look how sick they are. Donnie's got the hat. Leo, you'll notice, has these little throwing knives, and they were hard to get in there, but there's 5 of them, and he's got a spot for all of them, 3 on one side, 2 on the other. And then his swords go through the cape, and then under the cape there's a loop that they also hook into. They also came with an extra head each and 3 extra sets of hands. So Donnie's extra head is a yelling head. That one's sick, but I like the one he's got on right now. I'll put this on to take some pictures. I think I'm going to keep him with that one. He's got closed fist hands, holding something hand, and judo chop hands, or waving or saluting hands with just 2 fingers. One pose is many. Leo's extra head is a more somber head, and the head he has on is like getting ready to go, ready for action head. Anyway, and for his extra hands, they're the exact same extra hands as Donnie, but that's still cool. So when I unboxed Mikey, it was mentioned to me in the comments about a gray version, and I don't remember what I thought they were talking about, but I hadn't seen these yet. I hadn't seen them until I was at Walmart and I saw them for the first time, and I was like, oh, that's the gray ones he was talking about, because they had just, they were new news at that time, and then it never came across. I haven't seen anyone unbox them, so maybe that's why you're here. That's Donnie from the back. He came with this dope bow staff with a little red on the ribbon, which is sick. I love the colors. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna paint their skin green so they can match their brothers, because I'm not gonna get another 4 the same, but these ones were available and they're sick. And then Leo's got this cape on, which is dope. But Leo, when I was changing his hands, it was tough because this hangs over the wrist guard. That was tougher. If you warm it up, it would be much easier, but my thing is I just warm it up by twisting it around in circles until it gets loose enough and pops out, but it's hard to do it with those wrist guards. Donnie wasn't as bad. His wrist guards don't stick out. So next week, and until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.